Yo fam bam, it's Friday and our weekend has started. I'm getting ready for my work Christmas party, which Siaosi's unsure whether he's going or not. But I've had to rush home. I'm probably running late as always. And yeah, just wanted to show you our new bed base. How cool is it? Bit messy at the moment, but don't worry about that. It is so cool. It's really comfy. But yeah, so getting ready now. Here at our Christmas party. We don't have a table. You have to go and collect your food when this buzzer goes.
Guys, we've got the margarita pizza.
Margarita pizza? Anyways, we're at our Christmas party. Say hi. These are my workmates. Kind of tired. I'm pretty hungry. All I'm looking forward to is just the food. I just want to eat and then get out of here. But yeah, guys, our weekend has started. I'm working tomorrow at 8 o'clock, 8 to 12, and then we'll go Christmas shopping from then on. Siaosi and I, because we still haven't got our family Secret Santa presents. Our family did a Secret Santa and we all took a name out. We do it every year and then one person buys that person presents, as you know, Secret Santa. And we got, oh, I can't tell you because then they might be watching. Oh, yes, that is us.
And a pad thai.
Yeah, I got a pad thai because I like it. Oh, that pizza looks so good. Siaosi just gets what he always gets, which is the chicken schnitzel. I just wanted to show you guys how nice this bathroom is. Isn't it lovely? We just left the dinner pub and we're doing our late night run to Woolies because we basically live at the shops. I realized the other day when I was watching some of our vlogs that we probably have never vlogged a full video without going to the shops, but it was good. Siaosi got to meet all of my workmates, my manager, and my bosses, and he loved them, didn't you? Yeah. And they loved him as well. And yeah, it was a great night. I really enjoyed it. Huh? Yeah, he thinks he's the man. He kind of just let loose and just said whatever, started mingling with my workmates, but at first he was quite reserved, didn't really talk much, but yeah, so we came to get a few things. I'm not working tomorrow anymore, got told it's been cancelled, so geez, I need to go to the gym tomorrow. That little walk from my car to the shops got me puffed. Oh yeah. So I'll give you a little clue about what we're doing. If you saw that, then you know. Look at my sexy man. You look so beautiful, baby.
Thank you.
Siaosi said the most beautifulest thing to me tonight. When I was walking out of the club, I was like, babe, is my awful alright? My dress okay? And he was like, it's fine, honey. You look so beautiful tonight. And I was like, oh. What about every other day? No, not really. I was like, oh, thank you, baby. We finally got home now. We're just watching a movie on TV. We're quite tired. Gonna hit the sack soon. And we'll see you guys in the morning. Morning, guys. It's just about 8:30. And last night when... Oh my god, he's coming. So last night, as you guys saw, we went to Woolies to get a pregnancy test. And to be very honest, we're really not ready for any children right now because, I mean, we're just sort of enjoying our time with just us two because we've been apart for so long. So we're not in any rush to start our family, and it came out as I expected and as I wanted to, but Siaosi's under the impression that it's positive, and I haven't told him yet because I came out. I was like, oh, it's a secret, I'll give it to you on Christmas Day, and he's like, I already know. So I'm gonna prank him. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna prank him today, probably, because he'll watch this vlog, and I'm gonna be like, Merry Christmas, and it'll take him a while to figure it out, but he will. Anyways, I'm trying to be discreet because this little fake kala here listens to everything. Say hi. That's my nephew Darnell,
and this is
my nephew Evan.
look.
Close your eyes. Put your hands out. Merry Christmas.
What do you mean? I feel like you. Not birthday.
Huh?
Not birthday. Oh. Why?
I said Merry Christmas.
What's that?
What do you mean, what's that? It was pretty funny, but I thought he would have been relieved, but he really wants one. I thought it was both of us that didn't want one, honey. And honestly, I was kind of hoping so that would be my excuse, because he's like pestering me to go to the gym all the time. I'm like, a little trashy this morning, but we had such a great time last night. Yes, he enjoyed himself so much. He was like, yeah, let this. Hey guys, so we've just been digging around all morning, and Siaosi's been helping my dad with a lot of things. A busa we're taking to Samoa, so sort of like a container that we're shipping over there for, you know, his farm and stuff. So that's what's been occupying us this morning. But we're about to go out. We're going to go to the mall, get a few things for our trip, our upcoming trip. We're going to Melbourne next weekend. So my last day at work is on Friday, and then I leave on Saturday. Or we both leave on Saturday. We're thinking of driving up, if not catching a bus, just because I might get tired. I mean, like, I think it's about 8 hours drive from where we live, so we'll see how that goes. It's gonna be awesome. All for awesome. I had to turn around and go and pick up Sia because she actually wanted to come to DFO with us and we didn't know. So back we go.
Yeah, Carol. Come on, Carol. Bye.
Oh yeah, we're getting Siaosi some clothes.
Christmas present there, man. Oh.
It's not Christmas present.
What's that?
Christmas shopping. Honey, I'll show you what I want for Christmas and you buy it for me. Do you need some shoes, babe? Do you want some shoes? I feel like you need some dress shoes because you don't have any. What about these ones? Oh, yeah, you must food. Not worth it. I thought they said 70% off. Gosh, I love my husband.
I love my wife.
Oh, you wrecked my seat. Dunker. We can't really tell you guys who we got out of our Secret Santa thing because my family watch our videos, so you're gonna have to wait. But I'm not quite sure what we should get them. I just prefer to get the gift vouchers. I asked my person, not that I know who it is, like when they pulled out my name, I put some hints. I just want a JB Hi-Fi gift voucher because I said to Siaosi that once we've reached 1,000 subscribers, we are gonna get a better quality camera. Oh my gosh, a lint shop. Look at those chocolates.
I'm here, Wally. Hi everyone, made the fuck out of Wally. Oh, Elengi.
We just got back from the shops and we're going back to the shops. I swear, that's all we do. That's where all our money goes.
Oh, lava. Yeah. Leo ko yung fuck up kope lava si kope ming ofu yung ave Samoa mo ng kamaki Samoa. Yeah. Si ofu mai kasengi. Oh, so fo ile Samoa. Leo malo angko in love. Bye.
So tired.
Yeah.
Siosi's going to give me a foot massage tonight.
Yeah. I'll give you a nice massage tonight.
We went to DFO and Siaosi was being so selfish. He just bought clothes for himself and didn't even offer to buy me any.
I'll buy you when we were at Melbourne.
You don't need to buy me, I will buy it and you just need to give me your card and I will go to Melbourne and go on a shopping spree. I'm so tired. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Here we are, we celebrate you. So we're getting ready to go to dinner. We're not sure whether we're going to join my brother and his wife, Ingrid. But yeah, we might just go and have dinner on our own. My brother asked us if we wanted to go, so we'll see. Definitely going to have dinner out tonight. Probably go somewhere fancy schmancy, or just end up at the Labour Club, which is just like cheap as, but that's kind of our budget at the moment because we're saving to go to Melbourne soon. And Siaosi thinks he looks like the man today.
Yeah.
So we're here at the Hamlet, and I didn't realise that the Hamlet is actually right across from my work, so I already knew what it was. And there's so many food places around here. There's like Greek, burgers, Indian, street food, and Siaosi is pretty full. We forgot to show you guys our food, but I had a burger. This is what's left of Siaosi's food. He had a souvlaki plate. It had lamb, a Greek salad, calamari rings and fries. Yep.
Para pergi via the phone Martina yo. Mangaya Martina, mangaya me ai kele me ai. Yo era to aku de fali. Wow, bol. Pa, bol mangapa. Mal.
So we just got home now from dinner. I'm about to edit the video and we're probably going to go Christmas light hunting tomorrow, which is going to be exciting, so look forward to that. But you guys will see that on Tuesday. And we just want to thank you, give a big thank you and a shout out to our new subscribers. Thank you and welcome to our channel. But we're going to call it a night now because we're quite tired. My eyes are a little bit baggy. Anyways, bye. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.